This tonic will help improve your energy, mood, focus, and overall health. It can also help prevent serious health conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Let's dive into the preparation. So we need lemon, orange, turmeric powder, ginger, this is fresh ginger, ground black pepper, so you get a container that have cover, a clean container. Grab your orange and cut your orange into smaller sizes, as you can see me doing. Please make sure you wash your orange clean with baking soda. Orange are full of nutrients that can help with varieties of health conditions, including cancer prevention, immune support. Orange are rich in antioxidant, fiber, calcium, vitamin C, folate, and beta-carotene. So orange is very, very good for cleansing the bloodstream. It will help you balance your blood sugar level. So next we need lemon. We're using 1 lemon. Please wash your lemon also with baking soda. So lemon help with digestion, keep you hydrated, prevent kidney stone, gives you antioxidant boost, and is very high in vitamin C. So after cutting your lemon, you add into the container. Next, you go in with your turmeric powder. We'll be needing half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is rich in phytonutrients that may protect the body by neutralizing free radicals and shielding the cell from damage. Next, we need a pinch of ground black pepper. It will help for the absorption of the turmeric. So black pepper is a good source of manganese, a mineral that can help with bone health, wound healing, and metabolism. So finally, we'll be grating our ginger. Grab your grater. You grate an inch of your ginger. Ginger helps the body ward off germs, keep your mouth healthy, keeps cancer growth, lower blood sugar, and also lower cholesterol. So grate your ginger. So add your ginger to the rest of the ingredients. Guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and be part of this amazing family. I make video on health, on fertility, weight loss, on weight gain. You would be so amazed to be part of this family. So go in with 2 cups of hot water, hot boiling water. Add 2 cups. So we will allow this to sit for 45 minutes. Mix to combine, mix to combine. Please don't peel the back. The back are super effective. So you cover, allow to sit for 45 minutes maximum. So this is after 45 minutes of infusion. Grab your cup, your sieve, and you sieve out your tonic. This will help you balance your blood sugar level and also help with overall health. It's very good for those with diabetes. Yeah. It will also help to boost your energy level. So after sieving, this is our tonic is ready. I love turmeric a lot. Turmeric help with inflammation, help with pain, arthritis. It does a lot in the body. So drink 1 cup once a week. You are good to go. 1 cup once a week. So guys, bye.